If you're looking for the best steam iron for impeccable ironing, this video is for you. Together, we're going to discover the 3 best steam irons on the market today. We regularly update the names of the best products on the market, and you can find them in the description just below. I hope you're ready for it. In third place, we have the Caller SV8152C0 with an impressive 2,800 W of power. This steam generator delivers a continuous flow of 130 G/min and a pump pressure of 6.9 bar, guaranteeing optimal results. Its pressing function reaches up to 480 G/min, effortlessly removing even the most stubborn creases. A practical innovation, Easy LED Vision, illuminates the tip of the iron for precise ironing even in poorly lit areas. The removable scale trap facilitates maintenance and extends the life of the appliance. Its 1.8L XL reservoir lets you iron for long periods without interruption. The only drawback is that the reservoir can be a little difficult to remove for refilling. In second place, the Philips Perfect Care Elite Plus stands out for its advanced features, offering an exceptional ironing experience for even the most demanding users. With an impressive 2,700 W, this steam iron is particularly efficient and quick to heat up, saving you precious time during your ironing sessions. Its steam output of 155 G/min, combined with a pressing effect of up to 540 G/min, makes it ideal for getting rid of stubborn creases, even on the thickest fabrics such as linen or heavy cotton sheets. This level of performance makes the Perfect Care Elite Plus one of the most powerful machines on the market, perfect for users looking for impeccable results in a single pass. Another major strength of this appliance is its optimal temp technology. Thanks to this innovation, you no longer need to manually set the temperature. The iron automatically adapts it to all types of fabric, from the most delicate to the most robust. This feature eliminates the risk of accidental burns, offering unrivaled peace of mind, even when ironing delicate fabrics such as silk or cashmere. The Perfect Care Elite Plus is also equipped with an intelligent sensor that automatically adjusts the amount of steam according to your movements. This makes ironing more intuitive and fluid, reducing fatigue and optimizing efficiency, so you can iron faster without compromising on quality. The ultralight iron is another notable asset. As well as being easy to handle, it features the T-Ionic Glide sole plate, renowned for its exceptional glide. Not only does this sole offer smooth movement on clothing, it is also scratch-resistant, guaranteeing enhanced durability. Finally, although this model stands out for its performance and innovative technologies, it's worth mentioning one small drawback. Water leaks can sometimes occur, especially after long periods of use. This is a point to consider, although it does not significantly affect the overall efficiency of the device. Finally, in first place for best value for money, we have the Philips Perfect Care Compact Plus. With a solid 2,400 W output, it offers a continuous steam flow of 120 G/min and a pressing effect of up to 400 G, making it very effective for stubborn creases. Optimal temp technology makes it effortless to switch from one fabric to another without having to set the temperature manually, eliminating any risk of burns, even on delicate textiles. It also features a vertical steam function, which is particularly practical for smoothing clothes on hangers or curtains without the need to remove them. Compact and lightweight, the Philips Perfect Care Compact Plus is easy to store, making it ideal for small spaces. The only drawback is the absence of specific settings for certain fabrics. However, optimal temp technology more than makes up for this by automatically adapting temperature and steam to the fabric, making it highly versatile. That's our top 3 best steam irons. Share your impressions in the comments, with links and prices in the descriptions. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future comparisons. See you soon!